What's up everybody, this is Dawit and today we're going to be learning about tenses and we are here in Unique English Basics, okay? So ዛሬ የምንማረው ስለ tense እንማራለን and I hope you guys are going to grasp something important to you guys. Let's go. So this is tense ሲባል ምንድነው? tense ሲባል ጊዜያት አይደለ? ጊዜ ስለ ጊዜ አንድ ነገር መች እንደተደረገ ለመግለጽ የምንጠቀምበት it's just ጊዜ which is tense, right? A tense. That's great. So tenseዎች tense ስናወራ ስለ ጊዜያት ስናወራ like ብዙ kind of tenses ነው ያለው which is like 12 kind of tenses, right? So ለዛሬ ስለ አንድ tense አንድ ከዛ ከ12ቱ tenseዎች አንድ tense አንስተን ነው የምንማረው ነው. That's great. Nice one. So this is a simple present tense. Can you guys say simple present tense? What? Simple present tense. That's great. So simple present tense. Simple present tense. So አንድ ነገር present አሁን ያለውን ነገር ለመግለጽ ስትፈልጉ just simple present tense ተጠቀማላችሁ ነው. Most probably ከነዚህ አንድ ነው የምትጠቀሙት ነው. Let's say for example. So እሱ እንደዚህ ነው መች አሁን እሱ እንደዚህ ነው ስትሉ መች ነው ያወራችሁ ያላችሁት? So አሁን አይደለ? So አሁን so let's say for example እሱ ተማሪ ነው ለማለት ስትፈልጉ ምንድነው የምትሉት? He is a student, right? He is a student. So very good. He is a student. So እሱ ተማሪ ነው መች አሁን ነው ማለት ነው. That's why we use simple present tense. Simple present tense. So she is a student. She is tall. አሁን እሷ ረጅም ነች. So መቼ ነው ረጅም ነች? It's just አሁን ረጅም ነች, okay? So that's simple present tense. She is, he is, it is እያላችሁ ነው የምትሄዱት. Let's say for example አሁን እሱ ነው እሷ ነች ነገርየው ነው ለማለት ስትፈልጉ you just say this one. He, she, then is. Right? That's great. And this one is going to be he, she, it, has. So እሷ አላት እሱ አለው like ነገርየው እንደዚህ አለው ለማለት ስትፈልጉ you just use this one, right? Let's say for example ወንድም አለው ለማለት ስትፈልጉ ምንድነው የምትሉት? He has a brother, right? He has a brother. Like መጽሐፍ አላት ቢሆንስ? She has a book, right? She has a book. መጽሐፍ አላት. So አራት እግር አለው ወንበሩ አራት እግር አለው ስበልኝ The chair has or it has 4 legs, right? It has 4 legs. So አሁን አንድን ሰውዬ አሁን የያዘውን ነገር ለመግለጽ ስትፈልጉ simple present tense ተጠቀማላችሁ ነው. Are we all clear? Yeah. That's great. Nice one. And this one is going to be for the plural ones, okay? The plurals. So they ስትሉ እነሱ አይደለ? እነሱ. ስለዚህ እነሱ ተማሪዎች ናቸው ለማለት ስትፈልጉ ምንድነው የምትሉት?
They are students.
Very good. They are students. They are students. Is this one? እኛ ተማሪዎች ነን.
We are students.
Nice. We are students. We're students. ተማሪዎች ነን. Like አንተ ተማሪ ነህ በሉኝ.
You are a student.
Nice. አንተ መምህር ነህ.
You are a teacher.
That's great. አንተ ረጅም ነህ በለኝ.
You are tall.
That's great. Nice. So whenever you guys are expressing something which is just like, embarrassed at this present time, you just use the simple present tense. That's great. Nice one. So አላቸው አለን አላችሁ okay አላችሁ አለኝ ለማለት ስትፈልጉ ደግሞ እንደዚህ ተጠቀማላችሁ ነው. let's say for example መጽሐፍት አሉን እኛ መጽሐፍት አሉን.
We have books.
nice. We have books, right? We have books. So መጽሐፍት አሉን. መጽሐፍ አለህ በሉት. ለሱ yes nice. መጽሐፍ አለህ በሉኝ. now say nice one. You have a book. ስለዚህ book መጽሐፍ አንድ መጽሐፍ ስለሆነ ብላችሁ ተጠቀማላችሁ ነው. you just say you have a book. You have a book. መጽሐፍት አሉህ ቢሆንስ አንተ ብዙ መጽሐፍቶች አሉ.
You have a books.
say
You have a books.
nice one. አሁን ብዙ ሲሆን እንዳትጠቀሙ እችኛዋ like book ላይ s ነው የምትጨምሩባት ነው. okay so you just say you have books. You have books is that one ማለት እንደዚህ ቢሆንስ መኪና አለኝ ቢሆን Nice one. I have a car. I have a car. መኪኖች አሉኝ ቢሆንስ? Nice. I have cars. Okay? I have cars. መኪኖች አሉኝ is that one. So whenever you guys are just talking about ለራሳችሁ እኔ ነኝ ብላችሁ ለመናገር ስትፈልጉ ደግሞ እንድትጠቀማላችሁ ነው. Okay? let's for example I am ትላላችሁ. ተማሪ ነኝ በሉኝ.
I am a student.
Nice. like ረጅም ነኝ. say I am tall. Swell? I am tall. Very good. Nice one. So this is all about simple present tense. And now we're going to dive into the uses of simple present tense. So ስለ ጥቅሞቹ ደግሞ አሁን እናያለን ነው. Let's dive in. Nice one. So like when we see the examples, አሁን ኤግዛምፕሎች ስናይ ለሴ በጣም እሱ አስተማሪ ነው፣ እሱ አስተማሪ አይደለም፣ እሱ አስተማሪ ነው ብላችሁ ለመጠየቅ ስትፈልጉ ደግሞ like የምንጠቀማቸው ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አሉ which is a simple present tense. All right? Let's do it. Let's say for example አሁን እሱ መምህር ነው፣ እሱ አስተማሪ ነው ስትበል
He is a teacher.
Nice one. He is a teacher, okay? He is a teacher.
The teacher.
He's a teacher. He's a teacher. እሱ አስተማሪ ነው። He is a teacher. Nice one. እንደዚህ ቢሆንስ እሱ አስተማሪ አይደለም። እሱ አስተማሪ አይደለም።
He is not a teacher.
Nice one. He's not a teacher, okay? He is not a teacher. He is not a teacher. He is not a teacher. እሱ አስተማሪ አይደለም። Nice one. አሁን ጠይቁኝ። እሱ አስተማሪ ነው ብላችሁ ጠይቁኝ። ልጁ እሱ አስተማሪ ነው።
Is he a teacher?
Nice one. This one. Whenever you guys are just forming the question, you position this one here, okay? So እቺኛውን እዚህ ጋር ታደርጉታላችሁ ነው። Let's say for example, is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? So is he a teacher? ስበሉ።
Is he a teacher?
Very good. Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? አስተማሪ ነው? አስተማሪ ነው ለማለት ስትፈልጉ you just say is he a teacher ትላላችሁ ነው። That's great. አሁን የሆነ ልጅ ምን እያደረገ ነው እዚህ አስተማሪ አይደለም እንዴ? አስተማሪ አይደለም እንዴ ለማለት ስትፈልጉስ አስተማሪ አይደለም እንዴ?
Isn't he a teacher?
Very good. Nice one. Isn't he a teacher? Isn't he a teacher? Isn't he a teacher? Isn't he a teacher? ስበሉ።
Isn't he a teacher?
Say.
Isn't he a teacher?
Isn't he a teacher?
Isn't he a teacher?
That's great. Isn't he a teacher? So አስተማሪ አይደለም እንዴ? አስተማሪ አይደለም እንዴ? So this is like affirmative sentence, which is a normal sentence, right? So normal sentence, this is affirmative sentence. This is like a negative sentence. እሱ አይደለም፣ እሱ አይደለችም፣ like አይደለም ሲጨምሩ ደግሞ ኔጌቲቭ ሰንተንስ ይባላል ነው። ይሄ ኔጌቲቭ ኖት ያለበት ነው። Okay? So is he a teacher ስትሉ እሱ ጥያቄ ይሆናል። እሱ መምህር ነው፣ እሱ አስተማሪ ነው። So ለመጠየቅ ስትፈልጉ still you use this one ነው። Okay? ኔጌቲቭ ኮስትን ሲሆን ደግሞ ኔጌቲቭ ኮስትን እሱ እንደዚህ አይደለም እንዴ? እሱ አስተማሪ አይደለም እንዴ? እሱ like አይበላም እንዴ? አይጠጣም እንዴ? So that's a question, but it's the negative question, okay? Negative question. So most probably አንድ sentence build ስናደርግ we can add some more from here, like ወደዚህ like ወደ መሀል ከፊት ከመጀመሪያ like እንደዚህ ከመጨረሻ መጨመር እንችላለን። otherwise እንደዚህ ነው build የምናደርገው ነው። So this one is a simple present tense. Are we clear? This is simple present tense. Nice one. Let's add some more. እንደዚህ እንበል እስኪ እሷ የጥርስ ሐኪም ነች። እሷ የጥርስ ሐኪም ነች። ብሩክ
She is a dentist.
ናሳ she is a dentist, okay? She is a dentist. She is a dentist, okay? Dentist. It's not dentist, but it's dentist, okay? She is not a dentist, see?
She is not a dentist.
ናሳ she is a dentist. She is a dentist. So የጥርስ ሐኪም ነች አይደለችም?
She is not a dentist.
Very good. She is not a dentist. She is not a dentist. She is not a dentist. So የጥርስ ሐኪም ነች? የጥርስ ሐኪም ነች?
Is she a dentist?
ናሳ is she a dentist? Is she a dentist? Is she a dentist? Is she a dentist? So የጥርስ ሐኪም ነች? Is this one? አይደለችም እንዴ ቢሆንስ?
Isn't she a dentist?
Nice. So you just put the no part right in the verb to be right here, okay? So this is, isn't she a dentist? Isn't she a dentist? Isn't she a dentist? Isn't she a dentist? Is this one, okay? So የጥርስ ሐኪም አይደለችም እንዴ? የጥርስ ሐኪም አይደለችም እንዴ? Is this one. All right. So አሁን like ይሄኛው አቤል ይባላል, okay? ስሙ አቤል ነው። ስለዚህ አቤል አስተማሪ ነው በልኝ።
Abel is a teacher.
ናይስ ዋን። አቤል አስተማሪ አይደለም።
Abel is not a teacher.
ናይስ ዋን። አቤል አስተማሪ ነው።
Is Abel a teacher?
Very good. አቤል አስተማሪ አይደለም እንዴ?
Isn't Abel a teacher?
That's great. Nice one. And this girl is like the dentist, okay? She is Sarah. Her name is Sarah. All right? So Sarah dentist ነች በል።
Sarah is a dentist.
ናይስ ዋን። ሳራ አይደለችም።
Sarah is not a dentist.
very good ሳራ ነች
Is Sarah a dentist?
that's great ሳራ አይደለችም እንዴ
Isn't Sarah a dentist?
that's all like that all right this is all okay so this is he she ተጠቅማችሁ ቢልድ ስታደርጉ it's like that let's for example it ስትሉ ደግሞ ለነገሮች ከሰው ውጭ ለሆኑ ነገሮች okay let's say for example you can say chair okay you can say any kind of tree you can say light you can say everything rather than or other than the people okay
Yes.
everything other than the people is going to be it is like that so let's dive into the other parts Alright, so the other one is going to be like for how about the plural pronouns, okay? እነዚህ ፕሮናውኖች ፕሉራሎች ስለሆኑ ደግሞ like are ነው የምንጠቀመው, okay? are እንጠቀማለን። let's say for example እዚህ ጋር a አንጠቀምም ምክንያቱም ብዙ እያወራን ከሆነ ስለ ብዙ እያወራን ከሆነ we don't use are. I mean we don't use a, okay? The a letter እችን a የምትለዋን a book, a chair, a student, a teacher እያልን የነበረው a እናጠፋታለን አሁን ብቻ s ነው የምንጨምርባቸው ነው። Let's do it like this. let's say አስተማሪዎች ናቸው አሁን እነሱ እዚህ የሆነ like ተሰብስበው ነበርና እንዴ እነሱ ምንድን ናቸው አስተማሪዎች ናቸው ለማለት ፈልጉ ምንድን ነው
They are teachers.
very good they are teachers they are teachers they are teachers they are teachers ምንድን ናቸው አስተማሪዎች ናቸው is this one perfect so አይደሉም ቢሆንስ አስተማሪዎች አይደሉም yes
They are not
teachers nice they are not
teachers.
they are not teachers they are not teachers they are not teachers አስተማሪዎች አይደሉም okay አስተማሪዎች አይደሉም አስተማሪዎች ናቸው ብላችሁ ጠይቁኝ
Are they teachers?
nice are they teachers 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 አስተማሪዎች ናቸው ብላችሁ እየጠየቃችሁ ነው ማለት ነው okay so ብዙ ስለሆኑ they ስለሆኑ እዚህ ጋር are ነው የምትጠቀሙት is አትጠቀሙ ነው let's say you don't say is they teachers no come on you don't say that okay nice one አስተማሪዎች አይደሉም እንዴ ቢሆንስ
Aren't they teachers?
say
Aren't they teachers?
nice one aren't they teachers 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 አስተማሪዎች አይደሉም እንዴ አስተማሪዎች አይደሉም እንዴ is this one perfect how about this one እኛ ተማሪዎች ነን እኛ ተማሪዎች ነን ለማለት ፈልጉ ምን
We are students.
nice one we are students we are students we are students we are students so
We are students.
very good we are students so ተማሪዎች ነን okay ተማሪዎች ነን is we are students we are students nice one and this one ተማሪዎች አይደለንም ቢሆንስ እናንተ ተማሪዎች ናችሁ no ተማሪዎች አይደለንም
We are not students.
nice one we're not students we are not students we're not students we're not students we are not students ተማሪዎች ነን ብላችሁ ለራሳችሁ ተጠይቁ alright so this is all about like the simple present tense using the verb to be okay these are the verb to be so ለፕሉራል ከሆኑ they we you ከሆኑ are ተጠቀማላችሁ he she it ከሆነ ደግሞ is ተጠቀማላችሁ ነው okay this is all about that you can pause it now we're going to press it to the like have has like have has ምንሉት have has ምንላቸው ነው okay so it's like he ስንል he she it ስንል has ነው የምንጠቀመው they we you I ሲሆን ደግሞ have ነው የምንጠቀመው ነው አሁን ደግሞ ወደዛ እናያለን Alright, so everybody, now we're going to just press it to this one, okay? So these are also like simple present tense. እነኝም like እነዚህም simple present tense ናቸው ነው okay? So አላቸው አለው አላት ለማለት ስትፈልጉ እንደዚህ ትላላችሁ let's say for example ወንድም አለው ስትበልኝ ወንድም አለው
Brother.
say
He has a brother.
አንድ ብራዘር ነው ያለው ስለዚህ ኤ ትላላችሁ ነው
Yes.
so you just say
He has a brother.
he has
A brother.
a brother
Yes.
he has a brother ወንድም አለው ኦኬ ወንድም አለው አሁን ሰውየው ልጁ አቤል ቢሆን ስሙስ
Abel has a brother.
Abel has a brother.
ናይስ አቤል has a brother አቤል has a brother ስላላችሁ ነው very good እሺ እንደዚህ like መኪና አላት
She has a car.
say
She has a car.
she has a car okay she has a car she has
A car.
she has
A car.
a car she has a car she has a car መኪና አላት አሁን እንደዚህ ማለት ትፈልጉስ መኪና የላትም ብትሉ
She hasn't a car.
say
She hasn't a car.
she has the car all right nice right here you guys need like a verb to do which is the auxiliary verb እዚህ ጋር auxiliary verb ያስፈልጋቸዋል so we just say like this auxiliary verb ማለት አጋዥ የቨርቡን አጋዥ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ አጋዥ verb ያስፈልጋቸዋል ይሄ አጋዥ verboች የሚባሉ ደግሞ ይሄ የዱ የዘር ያላቸው do does did ያሉትን auxiliary verb እናላቸዋለን so let's say you can say she doesn't
She doesn't
have a car
have a car.
she doesn't have a car she doesn't have a car she doesn't have a car is አሁን መኪና የላትም ኦኬ አሁን መኪና የላትም ናይስ ዋን ሳራ መኪና የላትም ለማለት ፈልጉ ምንድነው የምትታው
Sarah doesn't have a car.
ናይስ ዋን ሺ ያለበትን ሳራ ተካላችሁ ከዛ በኋላ
Doesn't have a car.
ናይስ ዋን so Sarah doesn't have a car Sarah doesn't have a car is this one okay so it's very very simple it's ደግሞ አሁን ወንበሩ እሱን ነገር አራት እግር አለው ለማለት ፈልጉ አሁን ወንበሩ or እሱ አራት እግር አለው ነገርየውን
It has 4 legs.
say
It has 4 legs.
it has
Or like.
ናይስ ዋን ኤ የምትሉት ሲንጉላር ሲሆን ነው ሲንጉላር ስለዚህ ግን አራት ነው ያሉት ስለዚህ ኤ አያስፈልጋቸው ነው it has 4 legs it has 4 legs it has 4 legs is this one so he she is እንጠቀም አላቸው አሁን አለው አላት ነገርየውን አለው ለማለት ስንፈልግ እንደዚህ ነው የምንለው ነው are we all clear
Yes.
is it clear
Yes.
nice one አሁን ደግሞ እስቲ እነዚህ they will you ቢሆንስ they will you ቢሆኑ let's see them all right so let's do it like this አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኤስ መጨመር እንችላለን ኤስ አለመጨመርም እንችላለን ነው let's say for example አሁን እዚህ ጋር አንድ ብራዘር ቢኖራቸው እነሱ ነው ግን አንድ ብራዘር አላቸው ለማለት ስንፈልግ አሁን they have a አንድ ብራዘር ነው ያላቸው they have a brother ነው የምንለው ኦኬ እነሱ እንኳን ብዙ ቢሆኑ ግን ያላቸው ብራዘር አንድ ነው ስለ አንድ ያወራን ነው ኦኬ ይሄኛው አንድ ነው so እዚህ ጋር a ያስፈልገናል ነው እቺኛዋ ደግሞ ወንድሞች አላቸው ለማለት ስንፈልግ ደግሞ this is they have brothers እናለን ነው alright so አሁን አንድ ብራዘር ነው ያላቸው አንድ ብራዘር ነው ያላቸው በሉት
They have a brother.
nice they have
Brother.
a brother they have a brother they have a brother is this one okay አንድ ወንድም አላቸው or ወንድም አላቸው is this one አሁን ወንድሞች አላቸው ለማለት
They have brothers.
say
They have brothers.
they have brothers
They have brothers.
nice one they have brothers is this one እንደዚህ ቢሆንስ መኪና አለህ በሉት መኪና አለህ በሉኝ አንተ መኪና አለህ
You have a car.
you have
A car.
you have a car okay you have a car you have a car መኪና የለህም በሉኝ
You have a car.
say
That.
say
You don't have a car.
very good you don't have a car 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 መኪና አለህ
Do you have a car?
nice do you have a car do you have a car a car do you have a car do you have a car is like this okay see do you have a car አዎ መኪና አለኝ በሉኝ
Yes,
Yes, I have.
yes I have a car so
Yes,
Yes, I have a car.
nice መኪና የለኝም
No, I haven't.
nice no I don't have a car okay no I don't have no I don't have a car no I don't have a car is this one so for today we have learned about simple present tense which is using the verb to be and using the verb to have by next time maybe we're going to just continue that thing this is unique English basics በአካልም ሆነ በኦንላይን መማር የምትፈልጉ አድራሻችን ሴምስ ሚካኤል ጋስት ሞል ፊት ለፊት ሎታስ ህንጻ እንገኛለን ስለዚህ መጣችሁ መማርም or ደውላችሁ መማርም ትችላላችሁ. So I'm going to see you next time. Have a blessed day.